replace the lever with this one. So I bought this at City Hardware for 1,279.75 pesos. Actually, this is the same model as the one I removed. So first I need to open this one. So price 1,279.75. Okay, so at the back you can see the lock, the door lock, the key, and the door lock guide. Okay. So you have here the key, the lock, which I won't use, the screw, the guide, and we have here the manual and this one. Okay, time to build it. So since I already have the lock from the from the previous lever, and also the strike here, this one, the strike is already installed, so I do not need to replace them. So since the model is also the same, and this one, we already have it right here. Okay, before I forgot, we have some screws and a tool. I don't know where to use this tool. So first, we need to make sure that this is properly aligned. Okay. The mechanism here. Okay. And then insert the outside lever. So you just need to align them, and then so, and then on the other side, you have to align this, and then so that easy. And then I need the screw. So since most of the parts are already installed, I don't need to screw other parts. So if you need this one, or if this one is blocking your view, so you can remove the handle by inserting a flat screwdriver here, this one, or you can use your nails and then remove it. So just a little bit hard. So since I don't need to remove it, I'll just use my finger. And then for the other side, I need to
like so. Make sure that it's aligned with the back part, back lever, which is, I am having difficulty. And then the other side.
Right, now to test if it's working. Okay, so let's check. Let's lock it. And let's see if I can unlock it. Oh, now it's working. Any more? Alright, so now working. Here's the part of the video that I'm going to troubleshoot or to check what's the problem of my doorknob or the lever. So as I have mentioned on my previous video, so you can remove the lever by, actually it comes with a tool, this one, but I find this more or better. So it's just a flat screwdriver, then you insert it here. Remove this part. Okay, as you can see, this is already broken. Okay, so that's why I replace it with another one. But unfortunately, I believe I've lost this one, this piece. Yeah. So this piece is missing from this one. So now I just need to put it here. Okay, so this is the missing piece. Maybe you have seen this one. So that's my youngest son. Okay, so now it's back. And then just insert keyhole here. And now cover. And then you just press this part and then insert it again. Okay, it's locked. So now I have another set of good lever that I can use on the other door. Okay, So that's it. So this one, this will be thrown away already. Okay, thank you.